The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. New projects emerge, each vying for attention and adoption. Vana, a brand new altcoin, is making its debut on the renowned Binance Pool. This launch is generating considerable buzz within the crypto community. Why is Vana creating such a stir? The answer lies in its ambitious goals and innovative technology. Binance Pool is a major player in the cryptocurrency mining space, renowned for its reliability and security. By choosing Binance Pool, Vana aligns with excellence. This signals Vana's intent to be a serious contender. The cryptocurrency space thrives on innovation. Vana enters with a clear vision and commitment. Its launch marks the beginning of an exciting journey. The crypto community eagerly awaits Vana's launch. The potential of Vana and Binance Pool creates a compelling narrative. This story is still being written, starting with Vana's launch. Stay tuned to witness the rise of this exciting new cryptocurrency. Vana is not just another altcoin. It sets itself apart with a clear purpose: to provide a fast, secure, and scalable platform for decentralized applications, or dApps. The team behind Vana understands the limitations of existing blockchain technologies. They have designed Vana to address these challenges head-on. Scalability is a major hurdle for many cryptocurrencies. Vana tackles this issue through its innovative consensus mechanism and network architecture. This ensures that Vana can handle a high volume of transactions without compromising speed or efficiency. Security is paramount in the world of cryptocurrency. Vana employs state-of-the-art cryptography and security protocols to safeguard user funds and data. This unwavering commitment to security makes Vana a trustworthy platform for both developers and users alike. Beyond its technical prowess, Vana is driven by a vision of a more decentralized future. Vana aims to empower developers to create innovative dApps that can revolutionize various industries. From finance to supply chain management, Vana's technology has the potential to transform the way we interact and transact online. Vana is more than just a cryptocurrency. It is a movement toward a more open, transparent, and equitable digital world. Participating in Vana's launch through Binance Pool is straightforward. Binance Pool's user-friendly interface makes it easy for everyone. First, create and verify your Binance account. Navigate to Binance Pool and select the Vana mining pool. Configure your mining hardware. Follow the provided instructions and start mining. Track your progress with real-time tools. Join Vana's launch on Binance Pool today. Section 4. Why Vana Matters: a confluence of opportunity and expertise. Vana's arrival is generating significant excitement within the cryptocurrency community. This is not merely hype, it is a confluence of several factors that position Vana as a potential game changer. Firstly, the choice of Binance Pool as a launchpad is a testament to Vana's credibility. Binance Pool is known for its rigorous vetting process, and its selection of Vana speaks volumes about the project's potential. Secondly, the team behind Vana comprises experienced developers, blockchain experts, and entrepreneurs with a proven track record in the tech space. This wealth of experience and expertise instills confidence in Vana's ability to deliver on its promises. Thirdly, Vana addresses real-world problems. Its focus on scalability, security, and its potential to revolutionize dApp development makes it more than just a cryptocurrency. It is a solution. Vana's vision aligns perfectly with the growing demand for decentralized technologies that are fast, secure, and user-friendly. The convergence of these factors makes Vana an altcoin to watch closely. It has the potential to not only disrupt existing markets but also to pave the way for a more decentralized and equitable future. Section 5. Navigating the world of altcoins. Understanding the risks and rewards. The allure of new altcoin launches is undeniable. The potential for significant returns on investment is a powerful motivator. However, it's crucial to approach this space with a healthy dose of caution and a commitment to responsible investing. The world of cryptocurrency is inherently volatile. While some altcoins achieve remarkable success, others may not live up to expectations. It is imperative to conduct thorough research before investing in any cryptocurrency, including Vana. Don't rely solely on hype or speculation. Dive deep into Vana's white paper, understand its technology, and assess the team's credentials. Diversify your investment portfolio. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. The cryptocurrency market is unpredictable. Spreading your investment across different assets can help mitigate potential losses. Stay informed about market trends, news, and regulatory changes that could impact your investments. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be rewarding, but it's essential to do so responsibly. By staying informed, conducting due diligence, and managing your risks, you can navigate the exciting world of altcoins with greater confidence and make more informed investment decisions.